Good morning. I'm between projects at the moment, so I thought, as I've just recently had a major workshop cleanup, I'd show you around my workshop. This is where it all happens. Places to store things, magnifying light, small drill press, table for doing other things, a small tabletop bandsaw, more shelves over there. This is all located in a single garage. Fortunately, I have a carport, so I can park my cars under the carport. Over here, metalwork area, small Unimat lathe, can also be converted into a milling machine for very small work. Some of the files over there, lathe tools over there, small grinder, very useful for sharpening metalwork tools. I also have a small belt sander. Some of my radio controlled aeroplanes here on the roof. Doesn't often look this neat. Thanks for watching.